Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to streamline and manage your repair shop operations, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to share with you a repair shop management system that you can download for free. Whether you're a student, developer, or a shop owner exploring automation tools, this video will walk you through the system's key features and how it can help you manage customer records, service tickets, inventory, and more. Let's dive in. This repair shop management system is designed to make your daily operations smoother and more efficient. It includes modules for customer management, job tracking, service history, technician assignments, inventory tracking, and payment recording. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy for both technical and non-technical users to navigate. Whether you're handling computer repairs, electronics, or mobile devices, this template can be customized to suit your needs. Watch the video on how to use the project. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this repair shop management system helps you in your projects or business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have questions or suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe for more system templates, source codes, and IT project ideas. Stay tuned, we've got more exciting tools and tutorials coming your way. Until next time, take care and happy coding.